Let's solve quadratic equation by factorization method. We are going to also learn by completing the square method, by using formula, and also by graphical method. But today, let's use factorization method to solve it. If you can remember vividly, we have done factorization of quadratic expression. In that case, what we do is to multiply the coefficients of x squared by the last number. And so in this case, the coefficient of x squared is 1. 1 multiplied by 15 is still the same thing as what? 15. And the second step is to find the factor of 15 such that when you multiply it, you will have minus 15. And when you add the two factors, we are going to get minus 2x, okay, or minus 2. So what we do is to look for the factor of 15. What can go into 15? We have 3, we have 5, 5, 1. So the two factors are 3 and what? 5. So what we do is to allocate the sign. Since the middle number has a negative sign, so you put negative sign in the bigger factor and use plus sign as the, because if you multiply it, you are going to have minus 15. And if you add minus 15 plus 3, you are going to have minus 2. Okay, so this question is solved. What we do is to do like this: 3x minus 15. Okay, and so what you do, you pair it 2 in the beginning and 2 at the last end. So what is common to the first 2 is x, and you have x squared divided by x, you have x minus 5x divided by x, you have 5. What is common in 3x and 15 is plus 3. And you have your 3x divided by 3 is, we are left with x minus 15 divided by 3, we have 5. So in solving quadratic equation, the two brackets must be the same. And so if they are not the same, you have to look at your factor again. And so you have to write x plus 3, this x plus 3 into x, you write one of the common bracket is equals to 0. Okay, so you now have x plus 3 equals 0, or x minus 5 is equals to 0. So what do we have? We have x. If this plus 3 is crossing equality sign, it changes to minus 3. Then if minus 5 is crossing equality sign, it changes to what? Plus 5. And that solves the equation. I believe it is simple. Go over it and you will see that it's as simple as ABC. See you in the next video.